Today I am going to do few questions in which we shall discuss all laws and we shall simplify expressions. So this expression is 2x power 2y3. Side by side you must notice which law I am using. I am using here I am using second and third and fourth law at the same time. 2 power 3 is 8. X power 2 power raised to power 2 3 times x power 6 y power 3. We have 10 power 2, that is definitely 100, x raised to power 2 y power 3 2 times 6. Now 5 raised to power 3, 5 multiply 5 is 25, multiply 5 is 125, x power 3 y power raised to power 4 3 times 12 log 3. And this 4xy will remain as it is. Okay, here we can do the cancellation and we shall add and subtract x and y powers from the powers. And 25 4 times 100 and 25 5 times 125. 4 1 times 4, 4 2 times 8, and we can also cancel this 2 with this 4 and we have finally 5 over 2. 5 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. Okay, first we add the numerators. We have the law 1 multiplication. We will add the power of x6 and x3 will give us 6 plus 3. Y will give us 3 plus 12. Same in the numerator, x2 and x. Both are in the numerator, so we shall add their powers. And both y's in the numerator, 6 plus 1. Then we shall have 5 x power 9 and y power 15 along with 2 x power 3 y power 7. You can notice now we can use law 2 and we will subtract the powers. Base same, 9 minus 3 will give us x power 6 and y power 8. And this is our final answer. The second question, 8x power 8 y power 4 divided by 2x y square whole power 2. We are going to open this 4x square y square power 2, open this, and this 3x y power 2. Okay, this 8x 8 y 4 will remain as it is. 2 power 2 is 4, x has nothing, so it has power 1. 1 2 times 2 x power 2 y power 2 times 2 is 4. Here 4 square is 16, 4 multiply 4, 16 x power 4 y power 4 over 3 raised to power 2 is 9 x square y square. So when we shall have cancellation first, we will cancel this 8 with 4 and we have no other cancellation as when we shall have here 1, we cannot cancel 16 with 9. So the maximum cancellation is 4 1 times 4 and 4 2 times 8. So we shall be having 16 multiplied 2, 32 over 9. 16 is not in the table of 9, neither in 2, so we shall have 32 over 9. X power 8 plus 4. In the numerator we shall add the powers. In the denominators we shall add the powers. And then when we shall simplify, we shall subtract the powers of the denominator from the numerators. You can see I have added and here I shall have 2 plus 4 6. So now we have 32 x power 12 y power 8 over 9 x power 4 y power 6. Subtracting the powers of x from x and y from y, our final answer will be 32 over 9 x power 12 minus 4, second law, 12 minus 4 is 8 and y 8 minus 6 is 2. This is our answer. Next question is 2x y 2 raised to power 5, 4x square y raised to power 2 whole and x y 3. So first we open the brackets. 2 power 5 is 32, 2 multiply 2 is 4, multiply 2 is 8, multiply 2 is 16, multiply 2 is 32, x raised to power 5, y raised to power 2, 5 times 10. Over 4 raised to power 2 is 4 4 times 16, x 4, y 2, and this is x1, so we can write it like this, x1 and y3. Okay, now we shall add it in the denominator. 16 2 times 32, so we can even cancel it here and simplify our question. So we have 2 x5 y10 over x power 4 and 1 x power 5 and y power 2 and 3 y power 5. So finally we have 2x power 5 minus 5. I shall bring it here. I shall subtract the power from power. Y 10 power y raised to power 10 minus 5. Final answer is x power 0. 0 is nothing, so we shall have x anything raised to power 0 is 1. This is basically 6th law, you can say. So our final answer will be 2y raised to power 5, as x raised to power 0 or anything raised to power 0 becomes 1. The last question for today, we have to use 5 laws of indices. We shall start, we shall open this bracket. Meanwhile we can multiply and simplify the numerator. 4 8 times 32. We shall add base same, power add, law 1 2 plus 4 and y 4 plus 2. We have used power, law 1. Then we have 4 power 2. This is 16. 16 x power 2 power 2. Which law it is? It is law 3. Power raised to power 2 multiplied 2 is 4. Y 2 multiplied 2. Power multiplied power 4. Okay, now we shall have cancellation of integer with the integer. So 32 16 1 times. 16 2 times 32. I have changed the color of the marker to show you how I have done the cancellation. 2 plus 4 is 6. Y 4 plus 2 is 6 along with this 2. And here we have 1. There is no need to write 1. x4 y4. So finally we shall use law 2. We have used law 1. We have used law 3 and 4 here. And now we are going to use law 2. We shall subtract power from power, x with x and y with y. Our final answer will be 2 x power 2 and y, sorry, it is 4 y power 2.